Imagine two of the most mysterious objects in the universe, black holes, on a collision course. What would happen if these cosmic giants collided? Let's explore one of the most dramatic and powerful events in the universe. Black holes are regions of space with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. When two black holes move towards each other, they create ripples in space-time itself, what we call gravitational waves. These waves travel across the universe, and thanks to modern technology that we can actually detect them from Earth. In 2015, scientists made history by detecting gravitational waves for the first time, proving Einstein's theory right. These waves came from two black holes merging millions of light years away. As the black holes spiral around each other, their speed increases dramatically. They are moving at a fraction of the speed of light, swirling together like a cosmic dance. But this isn't a peaceful dance. The closer they get, the more violent the forces become. When they finally collide, it's not like a normal explosion. There's no fire or light, remember. Nothing can escape a black hole. Instead, the two black holes merge into a single, even bigger black hole. For a brief moment. This new black hole gives off a burst of energy in the form of powerful gravitational waves that ripple outwards. These waves travel through space, stretching and squeezing everything in their path, though you wouldn't feel it directly, because the effect is incredibly tiny by the time it reaches us. But the impact on the universe is huge. Over time, these black hole collisions shape the structure of galaxies, influencing where stars are formed, and even where life could exist. It's like the universe's way of recycling matter on a grand scale. So, what happens when two black holes collide? They form an even more powerful black hole, send shockwaves through the universe, and leave us in awe of just how much we still have to learn about the cosmos. In the grand scheme of things, black holes aren't just destroyers, they help create the universe as we know it. The universe is full of mysteries, and black holes are just the beginning. Stay curious because there's so much more to explore. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.